like not going even up this nose because
it's so clogged. Yeah. Try to tilt a little bit more. Tilt your head like back, kinda. Yeah. Or maybe the other way. Tilt it the other way, actually.
Like what way?
So, like down so it comes out. And then tilt the pot up. It's too clogged. Try to blow some out. Does it feel looser at all? Do you actually not have any snot in your nose? Do it again. Quick.
What are you doing?
Before the water gets cold.
What is that? A video or a picture?
Picture. I'm waiting for a good one.
It's a fucking lie.
Just tilt it a little bit, yeah, like that, and then tilt your head forward a little bit, like. Don't.
Where do I go with it?
Do your head like this. See what I'm saying? Like, so tilt your head, like, lean forward, but like, now lift your chin up a little bit. Is it coming out?
Oh, it's just like coming back out the same nostril.
Oh, it's coming out. Is it coming out the other side?
No.
Yeah, it was. I see
No, it's
it.
just dripping, see? This is dripping out. This method sucks, it doesn't work. Get out of here with that video.
Don't touch it, it's my work camera.
I don't give a shit. You don't use it for work?
Yeah, I do. Ew, do you hear that? That's your boogers loosening up.
No, it's me going like this. In the water, it's a booger. Doesn't even work. Oh shit.
Does it feel warm inside your nose?
It's
Does
not
it?
getting through.
But on the one side.
Should I go back to the other side for the last one?
Yeah.
Watch this.
What did you do? Nothing came out. Ew.